Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube Shorts in slow motion. Want to slow down a YouTube Shorts video to catch every detail? YouTube has a built-in playback speed option that lets you watch shorts in slow motion. So let's go over how to do this on mobile and PC. The first method is to adjust playback speed on desktop. And to do that, just open the YouTube Shorts video on your browser. Let's go here, just go to youtube.com and then click on the shorts section right here. Now, that's it. After that, click on the settings gear icon on the bottom right corner, or in this case, the three dots. And as you can see here, there is no speed, there is no playback speed here. So we're just gonna turn this short into a regular video, and to do that we're just gonna change the shorts dash here with watch question mark, let's see, watch question mark V plus, and we're gonna click on it to open it like a normal video. Now, once we open it like a normal video, we'll have the option in the gear icon here to change the speed of the video. As you can see here, the language is French, but this means the speed of the video. Here we can personalize it by dragging this button right here, or we can choose the speed from here. You can speed it up or slow it down. In this case, we're gonna slow it down because we want to watch it in slow motion. And there you go. As you can see, the video is played in slow motion. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now, if you're trying to analyze a fast movement like sports or tutorials, the 0.5 speed is the best balance between slow motion and clarity. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you watch YouTube Shorts in slow motion. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.